Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you had a good time in chapel. Let's talk about today's assignments. We're going to talk about math last of all today because pre-K and kindergarten have different math assignments today. So first we'll talk about all our other assignments, and then we'll do an extra moment at the end to talk about math. Okay, friends? In reading time today, we are going to talk about the fiction story, The Three Little Pigs. This is probably another fiction story that you have heard before. So I want you to read this book along with me and then answer the questions. So let's take a look at the seesaw activity. Here you can see these are the instructions. So you're going to watch the video here to see what you need to do and to hear the story. And then at the end, you're going to make some audios to answer the questions that go with the story. All right, friends? So here in the instructions, you can see all the parts of the story. And then when you go back to the activity, here you can see your two questions, and you can make an audio to answer them. All right? Go ahead and pause the video and get started on that now. All right, today is a special day because we have two reading assignments. First, we're going to listen to the story of the Three Little Pigs, and we're going to answer the questions. And then we're going to watch a video about our vocabulary words for our unit. Remember, friends, our vocabulary words are the new words that we are learning. So it's important for us to practice them. I want you to practice them with this video, and I also want you to try to use them as much as you can when you're talking and practicing your English. So what you're going to do is go to our seesaw activity. We're always going to view the instructions. Here you can see the video that has all the vocabulary words and some pictures that go with the vocabulary words. And then you can go through and look at each word individually if you want to see that, okay? After you finish that, then I want you to go back to the seesaw activity and draw a picture of one of the vocabulary words, okay? You can draw the picture here on Seesaw, or you can draw a picture on a piece of paper and then take a picture of your work using this camera right here, all right? Go ahead and watch the video and then draw a picture of one vocabulary word. Pause the video now. All right, we are moving so fast through all our assignments today. I'm so proud of you. Let's take a quick stretch break. Ready? Everybody reach up high. Okay, can you touch the wall on the other side? Oh, can you touch the wall on the other side? Oh, can you touch your toes? Oh, oh, that feels so much better. Good stretch break. All right, let's go on with the next activity that we have to do today, friends. Our writing time. Today we're going to finish writing the beginning, middle, and end of our fiction stories. Remember, we started this yesterday. This is not a new assignment. So you're going to go back to your fiction writing notebook. Let's take a look at the example here. So we already did this part. And the part we're working on now is our train paper. So remember, you need to draw the characters and setting, the problem, and the solution. Kindergarten, you also need to write one word, 2 words, or 3 words in each box to tell me what's happening. All right, friends, we're going to finish that up today and take a picture of it. Make sure to do your best, most beautiful work. All right, pause the video now and finish up your train activity. All right, great work, everybody. You've taken a picture of your writing and you've posted it on Seesaw. I'm excited to see everybody's fiction stories. Kindergarten, let's talk about your math assignment for today. Your math assignment is addition and subtraction. So of course, first I'm going to view the instructions, watch the video. I made a special video to give you instructions about how to do the activity. Then we're going to go back to the activity and we're going to add on the first page and subtract on the second page. So remember, adding means we're putting groups together. Subtracting means we are separating groups, okay? So let's talk about adding first. Adding, I need to figure out how many in all. How many is all of them? So the first picture says, number 1 says 5 plus 3 equals, and we even have some pictures here to help us out. So I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's look at the second page. This one is for subtracting. So what we need to do is start with how many we have in all, and then some are going to go away. We're going to take some away. So here we have 5 bumblebees in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, just like this number right here. Minus. Remember, this line means that something is going away. We're taking something away. 5 minus 2. So I'm going to mark out 2 of my bumblebees because 2 of them are going away. 1, 2. Now, how many bumblebees do I have left? So I had 5. I took away a group of 2. And now how many are left in my group of bumblebees? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bumblebees left. So I'm going to write that number here in the box. All right, this one is subtracting. Remember, the 2 things are different and you have to be careful when you're doing these activities. All right, everybody, are you ready to get started? Pause the video now. Wow, wow, wow. You guys have done such great work today. I'm so proud of you. Kindergarten, that is all of your work for today. So I want you to take a break, go do something fun, and come back in just a little while to work on your homework. All right, are you ready to work on your homework now? Let's take a look. Remember, today is Friday. On Fridays, we do 1 page in our sight word workbook. We read 1 book on Kids A to Z, and we do some work with our letter flashcards. Today is our third day the third day to do this set of activities. 1, 2, 3. Monday was our first day. Wednesday was the second day. Friday's the third day to do these activities. So we're going to do the number 3 activity with our with our letter flashcards. Choose 10 letter cards to say their name and sound. So I'm going to choose 10 of my cards, and as I look at each one, I'm going to say its name, A, and its sound, A, or D, D, or S, S. I'm going to practice both of those things. All right, friends, that's all your work for today. Thanks for working so hard. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday.